put it in the crank. Okay, so this is the front. I'm gonna kind of line that key right there with this one right here. Okay, so stick your arm in here, trying to line that key right about there. See it? You kind of tilt it in. See the cutout for the slinger? Tilt it in. See? Remember, the front of the crankshaft, the key, tilt in. This arm is going to be the left. This arm going to be the right. Tilt it in. With your other hand, guide the rod. Once in there, you kind of guide the rod onto the opening of the left cylinder. Pretty simple. Taking the crankshaft out of the case. The keyway is at 9 o'clock. Turn it so it'll be at 12 o'clock. Pick up the whole thing. Tilt it out, as you can see. As you tilt out, you want the axle kind of lined up with this guy and this guy. Keep turning it, keep lining up that axle. See it? It's starting to line up, but it's not quite yet, so you gotta move it over a little bit. And it's come out. Very simple.